When your water heater isn't working as it should, life can quickly get inconvenient. Cold showers, difficulty washing dishes, and disrupted household routines are just some of the challenges. If you're in Los Gatos, California 95030, and facing water heater troubles, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is here to help. At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we know how essential hot water is to your daily routine. Whether it's for your morning shower, doing laundry, or washing dishes, you need a water heater that works reliably. When things go wrong, don't stress. Our expert team specializes in fast, effective water heater repairs right here in Los Gatos, CA. Why choose Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment? At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we offer quick and accurate diagnostics to pinpoint the issue, reliable repairs using only high-quality parts, transparent pricing with no surprises, friendly, professional service you can trust. Call us today to schedule an inspection or learn more about our sewer repair services. Your comfort and safety are a priority. Our service office in Scotts Valley also serves clients in Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Aptos, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Watsonville, Cupertino, Morgan Hill, San Jose, Santa Clara, Sunnyvale, Mountain View, Los Altos Hills, CA. You'll find us conveniently located at 4736 Scotts Valley Drive, Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Why wait? Don't let a faulty water heater disrupt your day. Our skilled technicians are ready to restore your hot water and your comfort. Call Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment today at 831-292-5238. For more information, visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/scotts-valley-plumbing-draining-water-heater-repair/